Welcome back. In this video, we're going to go over in-house sign attachments. So this is basically the files that your signers attach to the documents while they sign or after they sign. All right. So think about, let's say this was an onboarding document, and you wanted them to upload maybe a driver's license or whatever the case may be. So I'm currently in the Inhouz Cloud console. To get into the Inhouse Sign module, all I need to do is click on the Inhouse Sign menu, We're going to be using a template called Test Proposal. I'm going to jump into this template. So this template is very simple. It just has one role. So basically, we're going to have one recipient. We're going to keep it very simple. And then it just has one text box that is overlaid on the first page of our PDF. And we also have the signature input, or element rather. So to configure attachments, all I need to do is go into the Settings tab of my Inhouse Sign templates. And you could do this in the Inhouse Sign document as well. So to turn on or to collect attachments, all I need to do is toggle the Collect Attachments / Files switch or toggle. If you wanted this to be required, you would simply just turn this on, and it will be required, meaning that the user will have to provide this document before they can sign. If you wanted to allow multiple files, you could do that as well. And if you wanted to declare what file types should be accepted, then you could do that as well. Okay, we're just going to go with all file types. Now you have the option to prompt what the message should be. I'm going to say, please upload a random file for test purposes. That's it. I am going to go ahead and save. Close this out. And I'm going to jump back into the Inhouse Sign module, create my document. I'm going to call this Test Proposal XX128. We're going to use our template, Test Proposal, switch this to the development environment. Go into the Recipients tab, select myself as a recipient. Go into the Security tab, turn this off because I want this to go very quickly. And then I'm going to just hit on send. So my app is being generated and it's been sent to the recipient. All right, so I'm going to just pull in my email here. So I just received a message that I've been sent Test Proposal XX128. I can view this document. I'm going to agree to the terms. I'm going to go ahead. As you can see, I have one required field, which is the signature widget. I'm going to adopt and sign. And now because my attachment is required, I see the Upload Attachments button. Click on it, and you see I get the prompt, please upload a random file for test purposes. I'm going to go ahead and just search for a random file. I think I might have a few images here or something that I don't care to use. Okay, let me just see if I can search for logo. Okay, I guess this image here cannot hurt. All right, I'm going to open that. So because we have the option to do multiple files, you can keep selecting and adding, and it would be the same thing. I'm going to go here, go ahead and submit. All right, and voila, it was submitted successfully. So I'm going to go ahead and close this out, jump back into the Inhouse Cloud console, refresh the page real quick, switch back into the development environment. So I can see my document that was just completed, Test Proposal XX128. If I view this document, okay, I can see that it's been signed. Okay, if I jump into the settings and switch into the attachments tab, I can also see the uploaded attachments, and I can go ahead and download this attachment. And just like that, I can see my little image that was sent by the user. So if I had multiple attachments, I would see all of them here, and I'll be able to download each and every single one of them. Okay, so that's it for using Inhouz Sign with attachments. See you in the next one.